Okay, so we're asked to find the midpoint between these 2 points here. So in this case, we'll call it M for the midpoint, yeah? So remember the formula now, right? It's basically x1 add x2. So you add the x values and share it by 2, and that will give you the x coordinate, okay, for the midpoint. And then you do the same then for the y's. y1 plus y2, share it by 2. So in this case, x1 is 1, x2 is 2. So we add them, share them by 2. And then the same then, y1 and y2. So 2 add 4 and share it. So, you know, you can do this on your calculator, or you can do it in your head. This one's simple. 1 and 2 is 3. Divide by 2. 3 over 2. Leave it as a fraction, okay? 3 over 2 is 1.5. You can write it as 1.5 if you want, or just leave it as a fraction. Here then, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So there's my midpoint there. Okay, so for B, well, my x1 is 1, and my x2 is minus 1. So it'll be 1 for x1, add then negative 1 all over 2. And then for the y midpoint, 2 add 3, and then share it by 2. So here then, when you got a plus and a minus, it becomes a minus, doesn't it? Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 over 2, 0 divided by 2 is just 0. Thinking about it logically, minus 1 and 1, well, 0 will be in the middle, won't it? And then here then, that's going to be 5 over 2. Finally then, we've got x1 here, minus 2. Add then x2, which is minus 4, all over 2. And then my y1 then is minus 3. Add then my y2, which is minus 5, all over 2. So this becomes, well, plus and minus becomes a minus, yeah? So minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6 divided by 2, which is minus 3. And then minus there again, so minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 divided by 2, which is minus 4. Of course, you can use a calculator there to work that out, and you get your answer for the midpoint.